with the oldest squad of those who've stayed in so far. Pavard! Oh, how about that? Glorious!
The 2026 FIFA World Cup will attract a lot of eyeballs all over the world. And don't just see this as a global event, it is actually a lifetime opportunity. I'm not talking about betting nor ticket sales. The real deal is a faceless YouTube channel. Don't think about shorts. I'm referring to building a long-form YouTube channel that will hit the jackpot as soon as possible. Shorts is not worth the energy, not worth the time, and definitely not going to survive in the long term. The shorts audience isn't stable and it keeps fluctuating day in, day out. And we don't want that. We are aiming for a brand that will still print money for us even after the event. Thus, we are targeting the football community. We don't need much. The only thing needed here is your phone, an active internet connection, and with a little bit of your time, we are good to go. Someone might ask, how am I going to earn with these basic stuffs? The answer is simple. You create a YouTube channel where you never have to show your face or use your voice even if you don't want to. At this point, we are building a media brand rather than a personal brand. This is what we are going to do on the channel. We are going to find footages of the games, and with a tiny bit of tweaking, we can post it on the channel and let the algorithm take charge. These are some video ideas that you can use. Best goals, player reactions, unbelievable moments, highlights, insane comebacks, match analysis, new rules, etc. YouTube has announced a partnership with FIFA, which is a big deal, considering we have the World Cup just around the corner. This is where it gets interesting. Unlocking more content for media partners, which is clearly stated in the official write-up. Since YouTube has officially joined hands with FIFA, creators have the chance to monetize their content. A whole bunch of creators are going to flood in with short, low quality content and videos that are not even factual. There is already a stock library of high quality footage for us to get access, which is the FIFA archive. Why do you waste time on shorts, which has even less RPM as compared to the long form videos on the platform, and the algorithm is going to extremely maximize the reach of this content because it is in the interest of YouTube. The amount of high quality footage available to new creators right now is exceptional. Once again, the event is being hosted between USA, Canada, and Mexico, which means the North American audiences, who are the highest earning demographics on the YouTube platform, are going to engage with football like never before. That's why it's going to be a lot of money for creators. We are not just going to download the video from FIFA's page and repost it again on our channel expecting it to blow overnight or bring in some cash. This is where it gets technical, a little bit technical. How we are going to pick the already available content and make it 100% our own. This is what YouTube call transformation. I have already mentioned some content ideas that we can use for our videos. The video either explains something those casual viewers don't understand, or points out some mind-blowing moment in the game, or gives a reason why someone should care about this tournament. With this explainer style content, the footage which we already have at our disposal serves as a supporting factor on whatever we want to talk about, which is deemed as transformative content because we have also added some value and therefore made it ours. It is simple as that, and with any free editing software alongside AI voiceovers can help us pull this off pretty easily. The World Cup is starting on the 11th of June and we barely have a week left. So get your channel ready, warmed up, and I'll see you guys on the winning side. Until the next video, it's bye for now.